So I thought I'd be slick and I would put the timer on and then run up to the sign and jump on the thing to do my dinosaur pose with everybody else, which turned out to be blurry anyways. And instead, I just scraped me out.
She thought she was a ninja mom.
I thought I was a ninja. Apparently, 40 is creeping and I'm not a ninja. We're on the Discovery Trail. It's about a mile and a half. It's not a loop, but it's I think an in and out back to the visitor center from the other area where all the balloons are. Not too bad.
As a junior ranger, I promise to protect the fossils and plants, share what I've learned with others, and be the best that I can be. The high five makes it official. Awesome! All right.
So we got our Junior Ranger badges from Dinosaur National Monument. Yeah, Reagan's is in her pocket.
The cool wooden ones.
The cool wooden ones, woohoo! And which is awesome because last weekend we were here and we didn't finish our books in time, and Emmy saw someone with a plastic one, so we're hoping that that was the last plastic one and we got those wooden ones and we did it. So woohoo! And now we are officially on our way to Colorado. Only, I think, a 4.5 hour drive. Yay.